Hello YouTube, I'm back with another silver unboxing. Yeah, I have ordered some silver bars and something else, so let's get started. Okay, nice packaging material. Anything else inside? No. Okay, nice bubble wrap. Oh, put that aside. Let's start off with this first piece. This is, let me pause this video really quick. So let's start with the first piece I've got, and the first piece I have got is this beautiful looking 20 gram Pamp Swiss silver bar. Just look at it, wow, such a nice silver bar. Let me see, 20 grams silver Pamp Swiss. So that's the first bar I've got. Here the second bar I've got is the 1 ounce Pamp Swiss silver bar. Oh, this bar is looking nice too. 1 ounce fine silver. That's not a very high serial number, I think. Okay, let's put them beside each other and take a look. At the left you see the 20 gram Pamp Swiss bar, and at the right the 1 ounce silver bar. So as you can see, the 1 ounce is a bit bigger than the 20 gram bar. Now the upwards of the bars, and both bars have got low serial numbers, so not that high. So very nice looking bars. So let's go further with other products I've ordered at this company. I have ordered also 5 grams of silver shots from 5 grams. So wow, this is something unique for me. Let's take a closer look. Yes, here we go. It's packaged in this sealed bag. Let me show you. 5 grams of 999 fine silver. So I thought it would be funny to have also a couple of grams of this. So pretty nice to have some. Okay, just wait a second. You can take a look at the bars. Okay, and the final piece I've got is this. Wow, this is amazing. 250 grams silver bar. Wow, very nice and thick. So let's take a closer look at that. Nice sealed off. 215 grams fine silver. Wow, this is a nice looking bar. And also very thick. And what else? Here's the obverse of the bar. Just a nice big chunk of silver. So let me show you everything I have ordered for now. And here you go. A silver shot of 5 grams, 20 gram Pamp Swiss bar, 1 ounce Pamp Swiss bar, and a 215 gram, 50 grams silver bar. I want to thank you for watching, and please rate, comment and subscribe, and let's hit the 200 subscribers mark. Thank you. Bye.